Hey guys, we are going to do a breakfast on the Blackstone. Got the biscuits inside in that oven. One of these days I'm going to do biscuits on the Blackstone recipe I have, but not today. So yeah, we're going to do just simple eggs, some home style fried taters, onions. There's some blue and gold sausage, and there's all the stuff I'm going to use to season it up with. So you guys stay tuned and I'll show you how I get it done. I have some magnets that I want to show off. Some of my YouTube friends got tons of stickers. They're in my man cave. So here we have Gorilla Joe's Barbecue. He's an Oklahoma brother. And we have, this is a old school poor boy with Blackstone. He's now a poor boy, poor guy. Poor guy with Blackstone, poor guy outdoor cooking now. And we have Cooking Secrets for Men, Charlie, awesome channel. And then my most recent one, the Root Boy Cooks Meat Fire Beer. Man, he doesn't definitely need my endorsement. He has tons of followers, and he always says if you like this crap, subscribe. If not, then he gives another channel you can go see. It's a shout out. Awesome guy from Florida. You guys don't, if you don't know him, definitely get over there and say hello to him. All right, guys, got some oil down on here. This Blackstone is ready to cook on. I'll put some more oil here, and I've already got these potatoes diced up. These are golden Yukons, I think is what they call them. I like those the best right now. And to that, I use my bearded Italian blend. I need to put some of my magnets out here too. This is salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of paprika. Oh, onion powder too. Go to get some of this sausage on here. All right. I know I've showed you guys before most of my grilling things that I use are in my shed on shelves. That's just a little walk over there. It's not that big of a deal, but I got my round basting pan, and I think that'll help get that steam up there. Get those taters cooked a little quicker. Let's see what we got here on the sausage. Yeah, not bad. Throw a little bit of oil right down here. Put my onions down. I've got two tablespoons of butter. Out, but I've measured this flour out, all-purpose flour. So once that gets melty, I'll put that flour in there and make my roux. All right, butter's melted. I don't know if I'm cutting across on the video here. Sorry if I am. So this is, I measured that out. That's definitely 2 tablespoons of butter of flour. So half and half, guys, on that. If you didn't know how to make a roux, it's half butter, half flour. Check our taters. Ooh, those are looking nice. Got color on those. I'm liking that. Got a little ways to go, not much though. Coming right along. Right, let's get a little bit of milk in here and start seeing how much we're going to have here. This is a pint jar of milk, just regular whole milk. Sausage looks good. I'm gonna put the rest of this butter on these potatoes. Let that kind of melt down through there. It's thickening up a little bit. Hasn't come to a boil yet. Onions are definitely done. Dang, they smell good. Yeah, now it's thickening up good. Now this is when I add my salt and pepper to the gravy. It's the right consistency, it feels like. Take this and put it up here. So it'll stay warm. All right, let's check out the taters. I think they're done. That smells so good. Yep, I think they're done. Hopefully it's big enough. A big enough spot. Usually that's 6 eggs is plenty for us. Now, I know I'm in your way a little bit on this, but you have to pour this slowly so it won't go all over the place. Especially when you got other things on your griddle like I do right now. You want to kind of keep everything up here towards the front a little bit. Make yourself a little dam right there, and that way your eggs won't go all over the place. We're getting there. It's going to be good. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content out, man. I appreciate you guys.